For me, it was meeting a lot of other people who have great ideas and are so passionate and confident about it, so which was an opportunity for me to learn from them. And also the course has helped me to build my confidence up a lot and to start believing in my idea.
It's basically the connections we've made with the other participants that hopefully are not going to last for a short amount of time, but they're going to help us also in the long term.
The best part of the bootcamp was that I gained valuable information about IP issues and marketing tips, but I think also the collaboration with the other members was important as well, because the feedback that I was given, it was like a free mini market research.
I think the course can help you build networks, because I feel there are so many great people are working very hard, and this makes me want to work harder.
For me, the surprise was pitching my idea and people actually believing in it more than I would.
It's provided by the university, it's free, you got nothing to lose, you learn a bunch of information, a bunch of stuff that's going to help you in your entrepreneurial career. It's great.
They have to come, because it's not only this starter bootcamp, it's also the mentorships, the tools, the space, the thing. It's more than just one course. It's more than that. It's the whole experience. It's the real data.
Do it 100%. Don't miss a time. It's worth it every bit. It's worth every bit of it.